Good morning, Haley. Are you swimming? Are you in? Kick, 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 kick. Come on, you can do it. Kick, kick, kick. Yeah. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hello. Yeah, you want to see Daddy and Mommy later? They're coming home. You're on the plane. You're so excited. Yeah. Hello. Hello. What are you looking at? What do you see?
Breaking Your Bread's at 9 o'clock, and at 10:05 they have the ministry meeting till 10:45. 40 minutes by me, no singing. You just get up at the end of the Breaking Your Bread and start preaching.
Haley. Where are you going? Where are you swimming to? Are you swimming or are you running? Ooh. Ooh. You gonna roll over soon? What do you think? You're just content looking around at everything around you. Hello. Hello. Haley. 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 Haley in the morning, Haley at the noontime. Haley. Haley. Haley when the sun goes down. Are Daddy and Mommy gonna sing that to you? Yeah, they are. They are. Is that Haley's song? They really should go, feed me, feed me. Feed me in the morning, feed me at the noontime. Feed me, feed me all night long. That's what it should say. Yeah, 'cause you get up all night. All night you were up eating again. Are you growing? Are you growing by leaps and bounds?